Hello folks, Gino here with Texas Best Used Motorcycles in Mansfield, Texas with a 1999 Harley Davidson Softail Custom that I want to show you. This bike is in really nice condition. Beautiful color, sort of a bluish purple color. Don't really know what that would be, what the official Harley color for 1999 was. It's got a lot of metallic in it. Pretty cool tank badge. This is a carbureted Evo, an 80-inch Evo. Forward mount foot controls with upgraded pegs and pedals. Got a Screaming Eagle breather cover there with a high flow breather. Got some engine chrome down here on it. Screaming Eagle exhausts. It's got some frame chrome here, upgraded matching passenger pegs, some more swing arm chrome, chrome axle nut covers, chrome rotor cover. Nice, really nice seat on it. It's got a couple little spots on it right here, really comfortable though. Passenger backrest, luggage rack, pretty decent tire on the back. Chrome pulley cover back here, chrome lower belt guard. It's got a few little goodies on it, dress it up a little bit. Upgraded hand grips, chrome switch housings and switches and buttons, chrome levers. Got a nice detachable windshield here that's pretty clean. You can see through it pretty good there. Might have a couple of little pecks on it, but you can see it's not bad at all. This bike has got 51,756 miles. So whoever had it rode it, but they sure knew how to take care of a motorcycle. It's got the chrome front end down here, chrome axle nut covers on the front. You can just look at all the hardware and see that it's really been taken care of. Somebody knew how to love a motorcycle. I'll fire it off and let you listen to it. Make sure I'm in neutral. Bike pops right off, no issues with any of that. Carbureted Evo's got that nice little lope to it, the little potato sound that we all know and love. Chrome dash up here. That's a really nice bike. If you'd like to know more about it, call our sales team at 817-985-8888. They can tell you all about it. You can go online and see our complete inventory at texasbestusedmotorcycles.com. Front fender looks really nice. See a little ding here on the tank and the clear coat, looks like. The side of the tank looks good. It's got just a couple of little tiny rock pecks right there. All in all, this bike is a dandy. We sell and ship bikes all over the world. It'd be easy to get this one to you. We'll take almost anything in on trade. This is Gino with Texas Best Used Motorcycles in Mansfield, Texas. Thanks for looking.